Okay, it's the first video of our trip. Today is the 15th of January 2012. Just woke up feeling pretty miserable. Not a very nice day to leave actually. It's a bit windy, possibly rain. This is our guest house, Nishant guest house in Rishikesh. And this is my balcony of my guest house. Had a rough night, only managed to get some sleep at 3 o'clock in the morning, recovering from a very bad case of flu. Up there that's where my really good friend from Africa, Peter Gabo, is living. Pete! Gabo! He's still waking up and sorting out his stuff. Anyway, this is up in the hills, not too far from Rishikesh. In a moment we will be going to have our last breakfast here at the Swiss cottage, and my bags are packed already. The bike's running not so bad, a little bit carburetor problem, maybe dirt. Pete's picked up his Duke 990S last night, and from Fabian we dropped him off at the train station on his way to Delhi and then back to Germany. And I still have to pay my bill, 3,750 rupees for 25 days of stay, which is a pretty damn good deal here. Anyway, and that's our first video of this trip.